Alam mo ba?
Ano?
Kaboses ko si Camila.
Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Christian. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. Another day, another vlog. I think I got that from Ate Ave, so let's crash it out. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Christian. What are you guys doing? What's up? Welcome to our vlog. Today is gonna be a really boring day, but you know what? Actually, it's not a boring day. It's like a sad day. Actually, earlier, oh my god, you guys, this is the tea. I don't have car anymore. My parents got my car already, and that's the tea. Actually, I cried so hard when I woke up this morning because I found out there's no more car for me. So it doesn't really show right now because I'm happy because I'm vlogging with you guys. But I cried so much, like, cried and cried for like hours, like maybe 1 hour, and then parang like I got so lonely and I got so sad and I got so angry and I got so sad because, you know, I don't have a car anymore. And it's okay because they don't have a car when they were in college or when they were working. They bought it themselves, so let's do it for ourselves. That's why we're gonna work so freaking hard to buy our own stuff. Actually, I'm independent right now except for the car thing, but yeah, let's see where this thing goes. But super sad talaga ako, guys. Hindi niyo makikita sa video, pero like talaga ako, like na-shook it and na-sad. Like na-sad talaga because I feel like, oh my god, why is life so unfair, and like why are other people not having this problem? Because it's, you know, you go to college, you graduate, you get your own car, and that's it. But that's not the case for me, and that's okay. Even though I'm super sad and I want to cry right now, but like I get crazy, like I don't want to cry right now because my rice is cooking. This is my rice cooker. It's so cute. Let's see if it's, oh my god. And I'm cooking my breakfast, so we can eat our breakfast in peace even though we're so freaking sad. My rice is ready inside my 0.6 liters rice cooker. It's so nice, it's so cute. It's just for 2 to 3 people, and I also steamed my chicken adobo. Time to eat. So this is my food for today because I'm sad. Dried fish, I got hot dog, and I got longanisa, and I got chicken adobo that I cooked last night. Okay, we're now gonna eat. Alright, you can now eat with me, guys. But honestly, I got super sad. You can't see it in the video, but I cried so hard. And parang nasad talaga ako na like, oh my god, like this is so unfair. Other people don't have this problem, and I know I'm so grateful that I got a car and stuff like that, but they took it away from me now. And like, oh my god, I don't know how to do my laundry. I don't know how to do grocery without a car because I got so much stuff. I don't know. I feel so sad, but I want to feel motivated, pero hindi pa siya to the point na I feel motivated right now. I just feel sad and like parang ang unfair ng life. Like, I wanna cry. Actually, nakakry naman ako, but like, still. I have so much work today, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna work so hard. We're gonna work so freaking hard to get whatever we want in life because that's the motivation in life, you know? We're gonna make coffee. So right now, I just have a from the brand The Roasted Ground. I got this one from Shopee. This is 250 grams in the flavor hazelnut. We're gonna put one like this size caramel from Starbucks, and we're also gonna put half cup of Vitasoy Original. Now for the soy milk. To be completely honest, this is the situation of my closet. I got so much bags and I don't know if I should, you know, donate some of them or if I need them. By the way, guys, in this video, I will be putting all the clips that I took whenever I'm with Ate Ave, Martin, Baninay, and Bont. So enjoy in 3, 2, 1. And of course, don't forget to subscribe down below and click the like button if you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I didn't need ya, but every touch is ooh la la la. Tayo sa cave doon. Ha? Alam mo ba?
Ano?
Kaboses ko si Camila. I love it when you call me.
Let's go! Grabe ang red ko na cyst. No lip tint yan, ha?
Ako lang yung maraming melanin sa atin. Melanin content 100%.
As in level 100. Now going inside the freaking cave. Shucks, I'm excited. Medyo marami lang tao.
may narinig ako. Sabi ni ate, siya yung maingay sa BBB. Narinig ko. Sabi BBB.
Maingay sa PBB na.
Sabi talaga ni ate. Grabe. Okay, we're now going inside the cave. As in, I'm so tan right now. Look, but I love my color.
Tagal na inhale no? 10 seconds inhale. Thank you po.
Papasok na kami mga suki. Hindi naman hindi naman deep.
Pero kaya ko yung mga ganito adventure na ganito.
Ah, okay.
Kesa yung tatanong ako.
Okay. Actually, hindi naman siya adventure. Chill lang. Yeah. Walang adventure. We're now going down.
Lamig.
Ish.
Lamig.
Let's go. Guys, it's so cold. Guys, let's go down. Dude, it's so cold. It's so nice here. You like it?
Yeah, I
Diba?
Malalim ba ito?
No.
Biglang lalim.
No.
Walang malalim.
Walang malalim.
Parang swimming pool.
Super. And taste the water. Sweet, diba? Parang leche flan.
Lasa mga galing dagat yung nag-outing tapos pumunta dito nagbanlaw. Sarap.
Let's go down. 3,
Down?
run.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
So, connected pa rin to sa,
Sa?
something?
Sa puso mo?
Sa dagat or sa river? No.
Sa dagat. If high tide sa dagat,
High tide din.
high tide din dito.
Okay, connected siya.
Connected via Bluetooth.
Mapagpanggap. Nagbasa para sa picture. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, you're so red.
1, 2, 3.
Vaninay as a road manager and mama.
Landscape.
Landscape. Marina, ikaw ba yan?
Isa pa dito wala.
I love it when you call me señorito.
Look, sobrang clear.
Clear as blue. Show set you.
So we're now going back to Hot Skin, the Airbnb or the hotel they are staying in, and we're riding tricycle. Woo! Ah, what a concept! Hi guys! I am fresh. This is the Philippines.
Welcome to Bantayan.
Welcome to Bantayan, everyone. Another Instagram spot. It's in Ogdong Cave Resort. Ang ganda dito, shit. Ah, so happy. Oh my god, I love my color. Okay, so we have sweet and sour sauce with fish, Marlin's fried rice, adobong pusit, and honey something ginger chicken. Let's eat.
Just right outside of our villa. Yeah, you guys.
Hi.
Hello.
I've loving it, cooking loving it. For our dinner loving it.
Dapat avelicious.
Correct. What are you cooking? Adobo?
No, just chicken, random chicken meal.
Random chicken.
I swear, whatever
Okay.
I think is
okay.
good.
Ate! Isang pansit canton. Wala pa.
Wala. Welcome to my kitchen. Hi, welcome. Come in. We have here, you know,
Dirty
casserole.
kitchen for the dirty person.
Am I prison here? Is it like pakuluan na?
Wala yung videographer mo, Besh.
Oh, yung videographer. Ano na? Ay, videographer, wag ka umalis agad. There's like water here. You need to like bubble it first so that it's
No bacteria.
no bacteria. Bacteria zero.
Ay. Ano yun, trick?
lumakas.
Trick. Bang!
Ang sumabog bigla to, babe.
So this is our Airbnb. So chill.
Wala, bakit?
Hindi na natin to ma-enjoy tomorrow. So dapat enjoy natin now.
Vlogger ka, ha?
Wala lang. My gosh!
Gosh, I'm a
The owner of Bucket Paradise is cooking pansit canton. Ay. Hindi ka mapapasok.
No?
Ang galing ha. Shit, ang sarap.
Yeah.
Careful lang.
Ako pa ba? Siyempre masarap ako.
Okay lang ba yun si Bont doon?
Oo, ganyan yan. Mamaya pa
Oo
yun.
nga eh.
Paggabi pa yun
Oo oo nga.
May araw pa kasi.
Oo.
Mapira yan. Ako ba? Hindi pa yan lalabas sa lungga niya. May pagka-ano din yan. May pagka-old din yan sila.
Old?
Old.
Owl!
Wago.
Gaga!
Oh, letter O eh. Rosemary nung sana old.
Gang owl yung gang owl.
Dito na lang yung wago niya. Natisay kayo ah. Napaka nyo. Sana old. Ano ba dapat owl?
Oh! O-W-L!
Oh, di ba old dapat? Ano naman yung teacher niya? Different school.
Different pronunciation. May pagulay pa si Madam. Make something unhealthy to healthy. Tapos yan, gagawing sabaw.
Ganun.
Ay, ganun.
Thank you. Medyo kulang tong lagay. Okay lang yan. Hindi, lagay mo lang yan. Lulutuan ko yung pan. Sana. Oy. Napaka nyo. All.
May pagka-ano rin yan si Boty, may pagka-all. Ha? Totoo, all?
Sabi ko all. Sige, lagay mo lang yan dito. All pala yun. Hindi sinabisa ka ng kakay ko. Benta. Dapat saan masyado niluto mo? Oh, yun nga yung sinabi ko dito kay ano.
Ay, hindi ko narinig. Shit.
Kala ko narinig mo.
Sorry.
Lagsak na yan. Okay. Kontiin mo na lang. Like, ano na siya? Sa final. Lutong-luto siya yun. O, diba? Ganyan yung pandaya niyan. Try ko mo. Dagdagan mo. Ito na lang. Parang totoong chef. Wait, we're gonna... Okay guys, eatery.
How to cook pancit canton healthy.
May gulay lang healthy na. Mas madami pang kalamansi dyan. Yung ano.
Wala ko nakitang gunting.
Share na kami ni Martin. Para...
Wala ko nga, no? Nagmukhang legit siya na pansit. Diba? Hindi na ito negosyo, ha? Sis, nagmukha siyang legit na pansit.
Oh, Martin, oh, let's share plate. Ay, asa na yung gawa? May kalamansi dito.
Wala na ba iba? May ano? Tape.
Uy, na-wipe na yan ng tissue.
Wipe na yan. Malinis na yan.
Tape mismo.
Ah, okay.
Ako din meron eh.
Ano lahat pala meron?
It's a
Oo,
tie.
lahat meron. Kung may kalamansi pa dito, oh.
Ang saya! Yeah!
Iba na lang.
Oo, diba? Ganda pa ng view natin.
Ay po, my God!
Ano ba nangyayari sa'yo?
Dami nangyayari!
Wala mo na. Sana ngayon. Top 10. Top 10. Dami-dami madami-dami. Pwede din naman.
Woo!
Pansit!
On a budget! With a beautiful view.
Sumusyal yung pansit nito.
O, diba?
Nag-pictures din kami na si boss doon. Sabi ni Kuya, mag-BTS ako. Ano mo sabi niya?
Mga mapurpo.
Ano pala?
Ako pa ako.
Rinapan niya yun, no? Mag-birthday niya.
My loves!
Overnight tomorrow.
Okay. I cooked this. You don't want?
And the bread. I don't want the bread. I don't eat bread too much. But I'd love to have the fats.
Laban sarap!
Correct. Yes! IG body! Ano?
Okay.
Carry pa? Oh, sige, let's go?
Yeah.
Sige, go.
Pinakubad lang ako, no? Ubad ako.
Okay lang matagal, basta safe. Nasasabi mo sa angkas at sa kama. Wow, ang galing! Ganda, ang galing mo, confetitor. Kaya.
Level 2 pa lang to.
Kaya mo. Ito lang pinaka-OA, sis. Ito lang pinaka-OA. Ev, ang ganda ng pagka-blue.
Nakait ate ko yung mga ate nakadrink.
Ang tara. Ba't may mga isda, kuya? Okay. Level 3 na po tayo, ha?
Ang kukulang pala, sarap.
Wow. Is it cool? Yeah, it's cute.
Ang sarap ang lamin. Ay, yung takip na yan, sinampan. Ginagol. Ano sa ate, o may video, nakar kasama. At ang malala, may assistant pa. Kinaya mo yung lab, ha?
Full front tayo.
May boyfriend na taga-drone, na taga-video din. Aba, nagdagdag pa. Aba, may isa pa. Gusto doon niya ng taga-tiklop ng damit. Hindi, admin din eh, admin din.
Okay, for thumbnail.
Thumbnail! Thumbnail!
We're currently at the level 5. Super ganda, guys. 6 na pala. I think this is the last level. Super clear pa rin at saka super blue. We're just taking photos. And in fairness ng makeup ko ha, hindi na huhulas. Fresh pa rin. Floater kasi is. How about you guys? What's up? What's poppin'? Nagpo-photo na sila doon. Ako dito nag-enjoy lang ng life. Alam mo naman, buhay fifth wheel, buhay single, buhay walang jowa. So mga jowa na mga available. If you guys are looking for chubby gay guys like me, comment down below. Charot. Sige na guys, uy! Mag-jowa na tayo, charot! Of course, I'm not desperate. Sino nagsasabi desperate ako? I'm just living life. Sino foolish, charot. Marami kong sinasabi, putangina. Either way, what's up guys? If you're new here to my channel, do not forget to subscribe down below. Hit the bell button so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video and all the shit. Or whatever. Ano na? Photo pa more! This is how you do Instagram. Yun lang. Chika-chika lang tayo. Guys, it's so nice here. It's very adventurous. I feel like I'm Lara Kigaman. Lara Croft. Who you, girl? I'm the new Lara Croft. Lara Kigaman putik. Ang ganda dito guys, lakas maka-jungle, Brazil jungle, who you? Charot. Pero guys, putang ina, when we went here at the Ave, Martin and me, mga 8 months ago, it was only like 50 pesos per person. Tapos renting of shoes is like 50. So like all in all, mga 120 lang. Ngayon guys, 300 na. So if you guys are coming here, Charot. Hi! Yeah. It's 300 already. Because of Ate Ave, it's 300. Yeah, it's not so underrated anymore because of you, putangina ka.
Sorry ah.
Siya anuhin nyo guys, kaya nag 300. Oh, nag-boom daw yung tourism. Di sana libre ka na. Dapat may promo code AVI for 10% off. Charot. Guys, ang ganda dito. Kasing ganda ko, charot. Ay, ano na, oy? Hi! Oh my God, so fresh. Nasa stun ako sa self ko, guys. Nasa stun. Sana different bikinis na naman. Sige guys, we're gonna live life and we'll talk to you guys later, alligator. Bye!
Dito lalim. Ayun, may bato na.
Puta, big steps is. Oh my God. May taas, mayroon. Yan. Kasi.
Where?
Mayroon. Don't worry, no problem. Yan. Vlog! Congrats! You guys made it!
Thank you so much.
Airdrop ko na lang to.
1, 2, 3, go!
Siyang tila ko'y nakalutang na sa langit, ngunit lumutugtugtog sa iyong mga ngiti, bugbog at kung hanggang dito labag talaga tayo, hindi pa babayaan ang daanin ako at kung umabot tayo hanggang dulo, char. Mahigpit aabutin natin ang mga talang nining niyong mga mata, natali ko sa iyong mga mata. Nining niyong mga mata, naharap ko sa mga tala.
Hiningal kayo, sis.
Rock muna tayo dito. Basta na tayo. Taxi muna tayo.
Ikaw wala pa.
Guys, look, ang ganda dito. Oh my god, I love this. Hey!
Why not?
There's no flash. That's so ugly. What the Ray? She's a fiance or whatever.
Oh, whatever. Used to be single.
I know, right? We're having croissants.
Emoji bread. Cheers.
Cheers!
Saka kahit na hindi masyado maraming tubig today.
Chill pa rin siya.
Ang ganda ko din yan.
Naging porn. Lunchtime! Hi! Hello! Third wheel here, fifth wheel there.
Ano ba yan?
Story, para nagmumukhang productive.
You could never drive when you're this good?
No.
Wow.
Really? My God, you're so weak shit.
Filipino drivers are the best drivers. If you can drive in the Philippines, you can drive anywhere around the world. No shit.
Gaga! Branding mo!
Story, para nagmumukhang productive.
Hindi ako makapag-message kasi I don't wanna spill any tea. But if you guys are still watching the video, they're okay.
Yeah.
This is Vaught potting on the thing. And this is Baninay. Good health na po kami, or siya. So ayun na nga, we're in Marco Polo and dito na po mabubuo ang Oropel family! Okay, bye!